Since Ed Buford couldn't be here today, we thought we'd take a little video of the unveiling of the new GCC R710s from Dell. So as you can see, the front is quite nice with a little readout area. Oh, isn't that sweet? Got a couple of hard drives. This will be one of our vSphere servers. It will run many virtual machines. And if we undo the top here, oh yeah, there's where the money is.
Actually, there is where the money
There's
is.
the money. 48 gigabyte of RAM and twin
720s,
5720s,
I think.
something like that. These are fast processors with multiple cores to go fast. There you go.